Yo guys, let's go to the Shredder. Wood chipper. Who wants to go in first? Who wants to go to the wood chipper? No. That was my idea. So who wants to go to the wood chipper first? Not me. Bro, yeah, not. I am a ragdoll. I am the robot. Go to them. No, I won't. Yeah, no. I don't want to continue my life. I'm like 12 years old, man. No, I'm not going in. Okay, so I'm not even gonna think about that. I'll just started playing in the World Cup. Yeah, no, I'm not going in that server. Yeah, not me either. And not me. Okay, so fine, I'll go. No. How about you don't go? Fine, you go in. Invincible! Okay, so no one's going to just continue. Yeah, this letter has been abandoned for like 5 years, back in 2020. Yeah, let's go.